Welcome to the training video for the 1.1 release of the Yocto Project Hob. This short video introduces you to the Hob, which is a graphical user interface for the Yocto Project build system based on BitBake. The purpose of the video is to show how Hob makes common operations with BitBake simpler and to introduce you to Hob features. To get started, you must have a copy of the Yocto Project Release 1.1. Once you've obtained that, you can change into the Yocto Project file directory, POCI, and run the standard environment setup script, oe-init-build-env. After the script runs, you can launch Hob. If this is the first time you've run Hob in this build directory, it creates some configuration files in which to store any configuration changes made through the GUI. Now that Hob is loaded, let's take a look around. We can easily use the Hob's main GUI to change the machine for which we are building. The Preferences dialog lets us modify various policy settings, such as the package format used to build with, the parallelism BitBake uses, whether or not to build an external toolchain, and which host to build against. For those already familiar with the Yocto Project build system, these are the kinds of settings which would usually be changed by editing the local.conf configuration file. However, you need to note that any configuration changes you make using Hob do not affect builds done using the command line interface outside of Hob. A powerful feature of the Yocto Project build system is layers. We've enabled management of these within Hob. You can easily enable a new layer for use by selecting Add Layer from the File menu. If you want to add more than one layer at once, or otherwise view or edit the layers used by the build system, we have a layer configuration editor, which you can find by selecting Layers in the Edit menu. With preferences edited and layers enabled, we can get down to customizing an image to build. The easiest way to do so is to start with one of the images defined in the metadata of the Yocto Project build system or any other enabled layer by selecting the image from the base image drop-down list. You can then add extra packages to this image by selecting the corresponding checkbox in the Packages tree view. You can sort the view by package name, license, and group. The Type to Find search field enables you to easily find the package you're looking for. Here we add sudo, AVA-HI, and AVA-HI AutoIPD packages to the image. Notice the dependencies of these packages are automatically included as well. The estimated image contents appear in the lower pane. These contents are an estimate based on the available metadata before any software is built. The Yocto Project team will work on augmenting this data to provide more accurate estimates in the future. The Reset button enables you to quickly reset selections and begin again from scratch. We fully support building customized images from scratch without having to start from an existing image definition. Once we have prepared our image, we click the Bake button to start the build. The build's progress appears in the message view. Active tasks display in green, while idle or completed tasks display in white. A red task means there has been an error. We can stop the build at any time using one of two ways. The Stop button tells BitBake to gracefully shut down as soon as possible. Any running tasks will complete before the build stops. This may take some time, particularly on slower build machines, but it is the safest way to stop a build. Alternatively, you can choose the Force Stop button to immediately kill all the tasks currently in progress. This method has a high chance of leaving the build directory in an undesirable state that could cause you problems. Use of the Force Stop method is not recommended. Should any part of the build fail, you can view the individual steps that make up the task and any error logs produced by it. You can copy logs for pasting, for example, into a bug report. Once an image build is complete, the Success dialog contains a hyperlink that will open the folder containing the built image in your file browser. You can save recipe files that represent the custom image created with the Hob GUI at any time during image editing by using the File menu. Additionally, you will be prompted to save any changes before exiting the GUI. You can load previously saved image recipes into Hob to build, further customize, or simply as a basis for a new image by selecting Open under the File menu. That concludes this brief tour of our first release of Hob. Thank you for taking time to view this video. We hope you have found it helpful. For more information on the Yocto project, see the website at www.yoctoproject.org. We look forward to your feedback.